Hiya, it is Saturday and I have made it to Knoll Park. As you can see, the snow is nearly gone. We didn't have the expected mental snow that they were saying we were going to have yesterday. I think the Midlands got it pretty bad. And I'm listening to Steve Jobs' autobiography. Yeah, which is really interesting, and there's loads of stuff that I never knew about him. But yeah, I'm just doing my quick loop of Knoll. It's really busy, there's people everywhere. I've never done it like this before, normally because I come on a Sunday. But yeah, I'll catch up with you later. Bye! Good evening! It is Saturday evening and I am so cold, that's why I'm in front of a little fire. I just got home from my walk at what, hour and a half ago, so it was a bit of a long walk. I think I earned 8 points, which is good. Walked 9.5 miles. But yeah, haven't actually managed to warm them up. My hands are so cold. So I've got a nice veg stew type thing going in the slow cooker that I prepped this morning. Oh, thank crumbs I did that, because I'm hoping that's going to warm me up a little bit. But yeah, I popped into Waitrose on the way back and purchased some of these babies. These are the Collective Dairy. It's a brand new company related to the guys that I believe did Innocent. Rose at work, one of her mates works there, so she was like, you have to try these. So I did, and they're awesome, but they are 6 points, so bit of a treat. Thank crumbs I've got a nearly 0 point dinner. My back is now burning on my fire, it is so hot now. Let's just spin round. Oh my life. And also I have just placed an order of a, how cute is that? That's a little bento box from Fab. So that's going to be cool when that turns up. I'm still waiting on my Pebble watch and my Instagram little photo album as well. Still waiting on, what else was it? Oh, the reflective t-shirt. Lord knows what's happened to that. So that is 3 Kickstarter backers that I've done, backing projects, and not received anything. So the only thing I've received from Kickstarter so far is my little Remy mask, which I'll have to do a blog post about at some point, because I've not really done a lot with that. But yeah, bit of a crazy mix-up one today. But yeah, catch you later, bye!